Hey everybody, my name is Jeff Taylor. Today I was on LinkedIn for a minute and I noticed their loading page, which I kind of liked. I think it's pretty nice and I wanted to learn how to make it. So that's what we're going to do today. It shouldn't take long. It's just really two elements, the logo and a little loading bar. So I found on the LinkedIn website, I just kind of followed their source, and they have an SVG of their logo. So this is the easiest thing I can do to kind of emulate this. I took a recording of the animation, so we have a logo, and then this thing just goes back and forth. I could definitely make this logo in HTML and CSS. It's really just a div with some maybe border radius of, I don't know what that is, maybe 8 or 9, 10 pixels, and then the letters I and N in a white font. I googled around for a little bit, and I tried to find the exact LinkedIn font, and it wasn't on Google Web Fonts, so yes, this SVG would just be fine. SVG is pretty cool anyways. So we'll just make this a little smaller by giving it a logo class and a height of something pretty small, because again, in this video, it's not a very big guy. I'll give it a width just because. Okay, and then I want to put this in the middle of the screen, so I will position absolute this, and then just give it the standard rigmarole to get this in the middle of the screen. So that would be position absolute, margin auto, top, right, bottom, and left of all zeros. This should plop right in the middle. Great. Okay, so that's the logo. That's pretty cool. And then we just need a little loading bar that goes back and forth. And it animates really nice. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it. I think it's an ease, but we'll find out. We could probably just go to their website and look at the code too. But I kind of want to learn how to do this first before I just go look. Okay, so I have a logo. Now I need a loader. So the loader will be this guy, this little gray bar with the blue bar moving in it. So a loader, I don't know, it's a little bit, maybe it's 150 pixels, maybe 130, I don't know. Width, 130 pixels, that's pretty small. And then we're going to put this in the middle of the screen too. Well, not quite in the middle, maybe in the middle with, I don't know, 100 pixels below the middle. Okay, so we don't see anything because we don't have a color, so background color, thank you. We'll make it green, so we should see it here. Yeah, there we go. All right, so what is the color? Let's go use my little eyedropper. Light gray. That looks good, and it probably gets a border radius too. Okay, now we need a blue bar in there. So I guess just place a little pseudo element in there, like right in there. I don't know what the width will be like. The width of the whole gray thing is 130. What is it at the start? It's like half. Okay, so 70. No, 130, 65. And we'll give that a color too. So we should see it here. No, oh, need a height. And while we're at it, a border radius. No, I still don't see it. Oh, pseudo element, classic content of something. There we go. Okay, now I see it. So what is the actual color? It's probably the same color as the logo. We'll take this one. All right, cool. And now we just need to move it. So to do that, we give it an animation, and then we give it the name of the animation. I'll just call it loading. We give it how long I don't know, 2 seconds. And then we can give it a couple other properties, but the simplest right now is just say, just go on forever. This is my, I feel like a conductor. That's my animation hand motion. Okay, so we'll give it some keyframes. We'll call it loading because that's what we called it here. And really, what do I want to do? I just want to move it over to the right sometimes. Translate. What do I want here? It's translate X. Y is down, X is this way. All right, and I want to move it over some pixels. This isn't translate, it's transform. I get this messed up all the time. It's translate, transform X. Transform. And that should move, right? Yeah, okay, it's moving. All right, so that doesn't look right. I'll save this. It's going over the gray thing, that's not right, and then the easing isn't right, and this looks like, whenever I play this video, yeah, it like goes in, which is pretty freaking cool. So how do I want to do that? The easiest way here would be overflow is hidden. I'm going to put this on the parent, and that way it'll kind of fade under. Over hidden overflow. There we go. Okay, so that looks really nice. My 100's probably not right, but then I want to go the other way. This is just stopping right at the left, so that would be 0% and 100%. So let's think about this. If this thing is 65, half that's like what? 32 and a half. So this would be negative, I don't know, 33, and this would be I don't even know, 180? I'm just guessing there. I'll have to think about that in a second. Yeah, that's way too much. Okay, so if it's 65 and I want to go more than half, that's like 99. I should really think about this for more than 5 seconds, but we'll find out. Looks good enough. I arrived at 99, it's, which I guess it'd be 98. I want to move the whole thing, so it's 65, and then I want to go halfway in, which would be another 33, which is 95. I don't know, comment if my math's wrong. And then this actually is pretty nice. I was thinking it'd have an ease to it. Does that do anything? Yeah, that's a little quicker. I think it looks pretty nice. How's my video look? It's a little faster. 1 second. That's way too fast. 1.5 seconds. Cool, that looks good. So I'm going to go to LinkedIn. We'll compare. I don't really have it for that long. That looks nice. It's close as I can get. I learned something. I hope you did too. So let's just take this background color then. We'll call it a day. So here, dang, it's pretty nice. Cool. We'll give this a name, LinkedIn loading screen. LinkedIn. Cool. Thanks. You guys have a great evening, and I will talk to you soon. Oh, you should all subscribe to this. I try to put videos as much as I can. If you have any suggestions for videos, things you want to see, it doesn't have to be CSS, really anything programming related, I'm happy to try to explain it. Thanks, have a good one.